So hello po, Sir Zamzamin. Narinig po namin kanina yung pag-particular po nyo regarding sa, alam naman natin na talagang bisyo ang sigarilyo. Pero paano po ba natin ma-justify na talagang itong produksyon ng tobacco is napaka-importante po sa mga farmers?
Actually, mahalaga ang tobacco production sa Pilipinas. Malaking contribution nito sa ating ekonomiya pag napalago natin yung tobacco production. At doon naman sa bagay na bisyo ito, talaga namang lahat ng bisyo merong negative effect sa atin. Pero ito yung tolerable effect. Kumbaga, meron talagang tao, hindi mo mapigilan at talagang gagawin at gagawin yan. Pero regulated na siya at merong adequate warning na masama nga sa katawan, masama sa health. Pero yung iba naman, kasi yung tolerance level ng ating katawan magkakaiba. So there will be some, well, I don't know if it's 30% of our population or of our adult population will keep the vice, but they are adequately forewarned. Similarly, like drinking of liquor, alcohol, consumption of alcohol is bad for your health. Or similarly, eating of pork is bad for your health. Or similarly, probably the more you eat beef, the more your health is at risk for heart problems. So there will be lots of varieties of causes of death. And of course, there are some of them that are tolerable because they have some psychological effect to a person, makes you happy, makes you feel good, makes you, well, I don't know if it's psychologically healthy, but the point is the balancing should be there and the regulations will allow the balancing. And of course, what we really think of is what is the economic effect of such thing that we produce from our farms, and we think that tobacco is such a good thing for our economy.
Sir, no, ang isa po ang Maguindanao sa mga malalaking nag-produce po ng tobacco. So, tingin niyo po ba later on sa mga susunod po na taon magiging mas productive pa ito? Lalo na nandito na po sa Mindanao yung first summit ng tobacco industry po.
Yeah, lalo siya magiging maigting because our leadership in Maguindanao del Sur, Governor Bay Miriam Mangudadato, is now campaigning for tobacco production, and he has sent his administrator to this summit to listen and to take note of what new insight is there. So Maguindanao will probably one of the leading producers of tobacco. At one time, Maguindanao as a whole, we used to be number 3 na tobacco producer, and well, it might happen again, and Maguindanao will be a key contributor to tobacco production in the Philippines.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.